Need help understanding the display on your Frigidaire top-load washer and how to select different cycles? No worries, it's pretty simple. First, load your washer. And close the lid. Press the power button to turn on your washer. Turn the cycle selector in either direction to scroll to your desired cycle. Based on the cycle options you've selected, the settings on the display will illuminate. If you need to change settings within a cycle selected, press the soil and temp level buttons to scroll to the desired settings. To deselect a cycle option, just press the button for that option until it's no longer illuminated on your display. Once you've programmed your settings, just press Start. If you need to add a forgotten item to your load, just press the Start Pause button. After you hear the lid lock release, this could take a few minutes. Lift the lid and add the item. Close the lid and press Start again to continue. If a cycle has started and you need to change or cancel your settings, turning the cycle selector will only cause the lights to flash and a signal to beep. First, you must press the power button to cancel the running cycle. Then you'll be able to start over and select different settings, and then press Start. To open the lid during cycle final spin, press the pause button to pause the cycle. Wait for the lid lock to release. This could take a few minutes. Do not force open the locked lid. Don't forget to press Start again to resume the cycle. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.